Hello friends, today we discuss about entries, debit and credit, traditional accounting method. According to traditional accounting, real accounts first, second is nominal accounts, third is personal accounts. In first, we discuss about real accounts. Real account means goods, items, example cash, machinery, sale, purchase, all these visible items called real. Under real accounts, debit what comes in and rule for credit what goes out. What comes in is debit and what goes is credit. Suppose example machine, we purchase any machine by cash. Entry is machine account debtor 5000 debit, which coming machine coming, and cash is going 5000 credited to cash account. Like this, old computer we are so selling. If we are computer sold when cash is coming, debited to cash, and computer going, computer account credit. Like the nominal account, second method is following second nominal accounts. All invisible transactions, for example services, salary, rent, interest, bank interest, all what debit all losses and expenses paid, credit all gains and incomes which we are receiving, like wages and salary paid account debtor, this is 25,000 paid. Nominal account debiting rule, and bank or cash account credit, which is cash is real, that's why we are crediting to cash account. Like B, if we are receiving interest, bank or cash debit 5000, it is cash is real, and interest received account 5000 nominal, interest is invisible under nominal accounting method. Third is personal accounting method. Entries pass under personal, following personal accounting method. Persons, individuals, bank, business names, all comes involved in business. Like debit to receiver, credit to giver. Persons, individual, business names involved. Suppose Amit, who is partner, he is cash giver. He is giving cash to company. Cash or bank account debtor, which is 50,000 real debit, and Amit partner account 50,000 personal account credit. Like that, goods sold to Ravi. This method, Ravi is giving cash and goods sold to Ravi. Ravi account debtor, real account 4,000, and goods sold, goods going to receiver 40,000. Entry is Ravi account debtor to goods sold account. These are the three methods under real account method. Debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Nominal account, debit all losses and expenses, paying, and credit what? All gains and income which are receiving. Personal accounting, persons, individuals, business names which debit to receiver and credit to giver. These are the fundamental